Hey, Bigger back, and today I'm back for another bfbb modding video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the script cheat for bfbb, which adds script support. This cheat code was once on this website, adds script support GameCube NTSC. This is the GameCube version of bfbb. Now, the GameCube version of movie game script support is already enabled, but in the bfbb GameCube version, it isn't. So you need to use this code, and you would do this. You would first, you will highlight this code, and I'm going to leave this code in the description. If you want to watch this video, it's in my other video before this one. So if you want to watch this, yeah, I left this video in the video. This video I put on today. The video before, the one you're going to see now, the video before this will have this video. I left two of these, the script videos in the description, two of them. But this, you would highlight the code. You would then copy the code. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it. Then you go to Dolphin Emulator, navigate to your bfbb vanilla game, right click, properties, go to AR codes here, AR codes. You're going to see the code here called script. It won't get, go to add code. Well, you won't see it. You add it, add the name. I called it script, and then paste the code name into here. Then click save, and you'll get script if you named it that. And then when you turn this on, the script functionality actually works as it's supposed to. Unlike it doesn't work like it's supposed. It doesn't work like it's supposed to, no, for some reason. So when you try to make a script with Industrial Park, it's not going to work. And yes, it does work for movie game. It does not work for bfbb GameCube. So now, before I want to show you guys what this looks like without the code on, and then with the code on. So we'll turn the code off. So now it's disabled, and then we're going to run it. Go to the game. I don't have the sound turned on because I just, there's no like thing to show of audio. I just don't have it. Oh yeah, we have him. I forgot. Black Knight. Okay, we get it. You're gonna get hit like a ragdoll. I don't have cheats on right now. This has nothing to do with the cheat code. I was trying to import something from Scooby-Doo, like Scooby's model. I don't know how that works. Scooby-Doo is the dumbest model in the game. There's so much stuff that goes with it. I don't really know how it works. So I don't know. I'll have to. Anyway, as you can see, we can wait a little while. We can wait a little longer. We can wait for 10 years. We can wait for 12. Yeah, it won't work. Now, I didn't show you what we even did, but I'll show you that right now. I should start the video, but I guess I'm just I forget things. I forgot to explain this step. So I made a script, same thing I did in the last video, and then we also put down a spatula. Pick up spatula 01. So, and we turned the collision off and visibility off. So when you collect, so it won't be here by default. So we made it invisible, and we made it so you can't pick it up unless you do something in the level to make it show up. So how we make it show up is this script here. You click this, and I did the exact same thing in the other video. Time 1.5, that doesn't really matter, but the link, to start the script, you go here. Scene prepare, run, script 01. And then what we want to get the script to give us when it's finished doing its thing, all its things are carried out. events are carried out, it will, the time is this, collision visible on spatula. So now when the script ends, the spatula becomes visible and you can collect it. There you go. Now, that's all you're supposed to do. This isn't supposed to be some sort of like really annoying thing to do. But what will happen is the flipping thing won't work. Because for some odd reason, the script support doesn't work for bfbb GameCube. Because like I've said so many times, the movie game works in every way, bro. Almost, except for music not working by default. You have to do that. Everything else, the movie game has a lot of support, dude. Like, honestly. So now, as you can see, it doesn't really work. Game's still running. It doesn't really work that well. So now, what we're going to do now is we're going to right-click our vanilla bfbb, go to AR codes, and then go to script, and now we're going to turn this on. I also got a new code for walking on goo. You can now walk on water. It's cool. But that wasn't from his video. I just got it from the normal cheat website I use. So now we can run this again. Yeah, my Mario Total Series video. You can see I'm using the Total Series modding thing. BFB modding 1. Because this is my practice, my testing files I use to do all kinds of dumb shit with the game. This is not me making a mod. This is just my files I use to test random stuff out, like random shit out with the game. It's got a lot of things in this mod, a lot of this. Anyway, so now when we go in the game, yeah, see, this is my Mario Total Series stuff. Go in here. Yeah, for the Skilly model, I don't see a file called bind. There's so many files because his head's not attached to his body. Like if you look at the Skilly model, if you want to put Skilly in, yeah, it's not. He's got his torso, he's got his head he's got his head model, it's just a mess. I don't like the Skilly model. It's so stupid. It's confusing. There we go. See, after the time runs out, there's the spatula. So it works, and you can collect it. See, there you go, 1. I turned the spatula victory animation off, so because that's a cheat code I have on. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, the rest of the snowmen are out of bounds. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, so it works. So if that cheat code will be, I'll put that in the description of this video. So then again, you can, if you watched the other video and went to Bus's archives, you would have got it. But I'll leave the cheat in this video though. But thanks to him for putting that on the YouTube video. But well, thanks to the website. The website used to have the cheat, but for some stupid reason, the website's gone now. Yeah, you can't actually I'll do a little bit more explaining right now. Just the video's about to. I want to explain a little bit. So yeah, the other video I made today was showing you, but for the movie game. But see, by default, so I did say I was going to test it out, and I did, and I decided to make a video on it. So yeah, as you can see, the scripting does not work with bfbb by default. Yeah, it doesn't. You have to actually get that cheat, or make a cheat code yourself for it, because it doesn't actually work. The script support doesn't work, so thanks to that cheat code, now it works, and you can actually yeah, you can actually do this now. You can actually get your reward or whatever whatever you want to do with it, because it wouldn't work before. So I don't know why it doesn't work. I don't understand that, but I guess bfbb doesn't. Yeah, I don't know clue, because it just doesn't. If you want, yes, you have to. If a movie game, it's fine. Movie game, you don't have that. You don't actually have that problem, but with bfbb, you actually do have that problem. It does have that issue. Yeah. So, if you're wondering how I made this, you can watch this my tutorial series on this. I taught people how to do custom NPCs. Shut up, crabs. But yeah, so the cheat code turned off, the script support won't work. The cheat code turned on, the script support works. So yeah, so now scripting can be done thanks to that. If that website, I can't find that website now. I only have the new one. So thank God that YouTube video is still up. So I will leave the cheat code in my video description too. So I left. You want to watch Wes's archives video on how this works? You can. I left it in the last video. And I left the 2 videos he made, because he made 2 script. He made another one for updated tutorial with Patrick. Something with, So, the only problem though is I don't think it has loop support enabled with this cheat. I don't think it has loop support enabled. Oh no, I'm gonna have to test that. Did he upgrade it to have the loop support? Or is that the old cheat without that patch? Ah, crap. What I mean by loop support, as I mean, you can do the scripting where you, okay, I might as well explain this. So you can, well, we can really try this. No, I'm not going to test it in this video. I could, I'm not sure. Do I want to, no, because I'll just explain it. You guys can try it. I'll try it my own time, and I'll explain what I mean. So, like, you could do, like, a thing, like, apparently it won't loop. So let's say you want to do it, you would put, scene prepare, run script on 1, then you would, if you want to collect money when the level loads up, like, collect shiny objects, get 60 shiny objects when the level starts, and you can walk around the whole level because it's a script. You can just keep walking and it will do it. Just for the hell of it. It will only give it to you once, but you would have to go this tape, then you would add, and then you would put in expired reset script, then you would do copy paste expired run script or what, so it always starts it. So yeah, that's what you would do. Then you would like go to the, I don't know, you go to the, close that. Go here, and then you would put in, like, instead of this, you would put in the time you want, give shiny objects SpongeBob, and then put your amount in the first number here. Not yet. In this arguments, you put in the first number, put how much you want, and then since you've made it loop, I said it, scene prepare run. Script 1, add, then you click add, then you expired, reset, script 01, copy paste, expired, run script 01. So we start and then it runs it again. So then it will keep, so you can keep getting money from it. You can get 60 shiny objects, then another 60 shiny objects, then another 60 shiny objects, or 100 shiny, whatever you put, you can keep getting money out of it as much as you want. It can continually get money out of it. That's how it works. So I'm going to try this myself, but I'm not going to make another video on this if it does work. But I know he made a video talking about how to get to work, but I don't know if this cheat's been upgraded to actually work by default. I don't know. Maybe he updated it with the new version of it. I'm not really sure. But what I'm saying is that cheat doesn't loop. Apparently, you can't do loop scripts. You can only do it only plays once. You can't make it restart. Unfortunately, so there's a new. He made a video explaining how to get it. There's another code for it, or something. Yeah, so you can get it to work that way. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.